Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this push rod to O'Reilly's with me. I'm going to put it right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're going to go this way. I'm going to try to start it again. I tried to set the points. We'll see. When I found out that the firing order was incorrect, I changed all that. Well, as you can see, fellers, I did paint the valve cover, and I have not got it reinstalled. As you'll notice, the hold-down bolts there and bracket are not in yet. Hey, which one of y'all told my brother that this thing fell down and hit my head? I told y'all not to do that.